Android notifications disappearing or not showing up can be frustrating, especially when you miss important messages or alerts. Fortunately, there is a simple hidden feature that can help you track them easily. To enable it, open the Settings menu and scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Inside Notifications, look for Advanced Settings and tap on it to access more detailed notification controls. From there, select Notification History, which is the hidden tool that records all alerts received on your device. Turn on the toggle at the top of the screen to activate it, and your phone will begin saving notifications automatically. Once enabled, even if you accidentally dismiss a notification, you can still review it within the last 24 hours. This is especially useful for missed messages, app alerts, or system notifications that disappear too quickly from your screen. You can return to the same notification history menu anytime to check previously received alerts whenever needed. With this feature turned on, you no longer need to worry about losing important notifications again. Overall, this hidden notification history feature on Android is a powerful yet simple tool that many users overlook. It helps you stay organized and informed by keeping a record of all alerts in one place. Whether you are waiting for important messages, app updates, or system warnings, this feature ensures nothing important gets lost. It is quick to enable, easy to use, and works quietly in the background. Once you start using it regularly, you will notice how much easier it becomes to track and manage your phone notifications every day effectively.